Hey guys, welcome back to the Kotlin series of tutorial. In this particular video, I am going to show you the constructor, how to work with constructor. So first I am creating a student class, and then below that I am creating one main function. So why we need constructor? Because whenever you wanted to access some information from one class to another class, for that we can use the constructor. So how to use constructor in Kotlin? In Kotlin, first we having two types of constructor. One is a primary constructor, another is secondary constructor. So in primary constructor, whatever information you wanted to access from the other class, you need to use that parameter here itself with the class name itself. Okay, so how to do that? Suppose you wanted to access a student name, the type is a string, and then second is roll number. Okay, so this is the primary constructor in Kotlin, and with this constructor we can access in the main. Okay, and secondary constructor we have to create inside the body. So first we are working with the primary constructor, then we'll go for the secondary constructor. Now a student, same I'm accessing this class only. So here I am just putting the name and roll number. Okay, now just println name is std dot name. So let me print this name. It printed the Rama, and if you wanted to get that roll number, then also we can print from here. Okay, and sometimes if you don't want to put value here, then you can do directly, you can put the default value. Okay, so this will be not required here. Now once we can run it, yes, this got printed. So this is how we can work with the primary constructor, and this constructor you can get access with another class. Whatever you want, you can do it. And for secondary constructor, we are going to delete this thing. In secondary constructor, what I am going to do it here, for secondary constructor you can create inside the body. So like once constructor you have created, you can create multiple constructor, but you need to change the parameter inside the parameter. So first I am going to create one, well, name string. Okay, and this is not required. Okay, now here I am going to printing this directly here, not required this thing. Now here I am just let me run and check what output is coming here. Sorry, this should not require. So this name got printed. whatever I have. If you don't want, you can directly enter the name. So this kind we can access the secondary constructor. I hope you understood all these things. If you have any doubt, please let me comment below.